Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to send SMS notifications on every form submission. So imagine this, you are using Gravity Forms to generate leads about your potential clients. So a lead called as John has been generated from your Gravity Forms. So you have John's name, email address and all those details, and of course the phone number. So you want to send a thank you message on this phone number. So here you have two choices. The first choice is you can copy all the details of John from Gravity Forms, sort it out, compose a message and send it as a SMS on SMS sending apps like Twilio. So the problem with this approach is it's actually very repetitive and tiresome. So I will suggest that you bring in some automation. So here, when a new response is created in Gravity Forms, it will automatically send a notification via Twilio. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Gravity Forms and Twilio. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so we will begin with an example. So this is my Gravity form and let's say I'm going to make a dummy entry. So the name of the person is Aaron, the last name is Manuel, this is the phone number and this is the email. So basically this person called as Aaron Manuel is filling in the form and Aaron Manuel has submitted the form. Okay, excellent. So basically now he will be getting an SMS. So this is the SMS that Aaron Manuel has got. Hello Aaron Manuel, thank you for registering on chemistry lecture. Your email aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com will be used to send study materials. So this is the SMS. So that's the process that we want to have. Once our guy submits a form, he will be getting a confirmation message on his mobile phone. So to begin the actual process, first of all, let's type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here, just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here, just scroll down and you will find the option called as Connect. Just click on Access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, Create Workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Gravity Forms to Twilio. Gravity Forms to Twilio, and then just click on create. Okay, so we are going to create a new workflow. Now after creating this workflow, I will attach the link of this workflow in the description box as well. So just in case if you want to access this workflow, you can directly clone it into your account by signing up for free. Okay, so when you click on OK, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Gravity Forms. Gravity Forms. Okay, so this is the one we want, Gravity Forms. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new response? Okay, so new response is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is the trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new response is created in Gravity Forms, then what action should be taken by the system? At present, there is only one trigger event, that is new response. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build a trigger event for you. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new response is made in Gravity Forms. So basically the gist of the process is we just want to send the data from Gravity Forms. So basically we are integrating Gravity Forms to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me take you to my Gravity Forms. Okay, so this is a trial account provided by Gravity Forms. Now as you may see, there is a plugin I am trying to show you. The plugin is Gravity Forms Webhook Add-ons. Now this is an important plugin without which this workflow won't work. So this plugin has to be installed, Gravity Forms Webhook Add-ons. Now there is something you should know. This plugin can be bought only from the Elite license of Gravity Forms. Now since I'm using the trial account, this plugin has been already installed. Okay, so after you have installed this particular plugin, let's go to our forms. So these are the forms I have. Okay, so I want to send the data from this particular form. Okay, so this is the form, chemistry class registration. Okay, chemistry class registration. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on edit. Okay, in the edit you will find settings. Click on settings. Okay, so in the settings page, just scroll down and here you will find webhooks. Click on webhooks. Okay, so let me just create a new webhook. So just click on add new. Okay, so first of all we are going to give a name to this webhook. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm going to give a name. So the name of the webhook is SMS data. Just a random name, that's all. Now in the request URL, you basically want the webhook URL. So to get the webhook URL, let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered our webhook URL. The request method, let's keep it as post. The request format as JSON. Now in the request header, let's keep it, we don't have to select any name or value. Let's keep it as blank. The request body, keep it as all fields. In the webhook condition, we don't have to add any condition. So let me just click on update settings. Okay, so basically at this point, we have integrated this particular forms to Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new response is generated in this particular form, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on this button, capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a post. So let me just click on add new post. Okay, so the name of the post is chemistry admission. Okay, so this is the name of the post, and here I'm just going to insert this particular form. So the form was chemistry class registration. So this is the one. Okay, and let me just click on publish. Okay, so the post has been published. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make some entry in this form. Okay, so a dummy person called as Jerry Maguire has entered his detail. So this is his phone number. Okay, 9131323916. Okay, so this is the details. So the name is Jerry, the last name is Maguire, this is the phone number, and this is the email. So let me just click on submit. Okay, so a form submission has been made by a guy called as Jerry Maguire. Since Pabbly Connect is integrated with this forms, let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured the data. So let's have a look. Yes, the data has been captured. So let me just scroll down and see the details. So this is the name Jerry, this is the last name Maguire, this is the phone number, and this is the email. So basically we will be sending the SMS to this particular phone number. Okay, so to send the SMS we will be using an app called as Twilio. So to integrate Twilio, let's just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Twilio? Okay, Twilio it is. Okay, so now in the action event, how about we make it as send a SMS? Okay, send an SMS is an action event. There is one more action event, that is call phone. Now, just like the triggers, if you have trouble finding the action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to send an SMS. Okay, so just click on connect with Twilio. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have to fill in the 3 blanks: account SID, authorization token, and again the account SID. So to get these details, let's have a visit to Twilio. So this is my Twilio account. And first of all, at the right top corner, you will find the option settings. Click on settings. Okay. Okay, so this is the settings page. Okay, so it is asking me to authenticate. Let me just enter my password. So this is my password and it has been authenticated. Okay, so let me just scroll down in the API credentials section. You will find the account SID. So this is the account SID. So I have copied this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the account SID. Now coming to the authorization token, let me again go back to Twilio and let me just remove this privacy. So this is the authorization token. I have copied this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now coming back to account SID, actually this is the same thing. Okay, so I'll just copy back this and just paste it here. Okay, so we have pasted the account SID 2 times and then we have entered the authorization token. So let me just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to compose a message in Twilio from the data that we have received from Gravity Forms via Pabbly Connect. So let me just start building the body of the SMS. So the body is something like this. Hello, Mr. And let me just introduce you to this button. This button is called as the mapping button. When we click this, we will find all the details that we have received from Gravity Forms. So this is in the section called as trigger. Okay, so let me just scroll down. Okay, and we do have the details. So hello, Mr. Jerry. So we have mapped the name and then we are going to map in the last name. Hello, Mr. Jerry Maguire. And what I'm planning to do here is in the next, we are going to build the rest of the SMS in the next line. So I'm just going to enter /n. So this will put the next line. Okay, so /n it is. And after that, just enter thank you. How about maybe the thank you. Thank you for registering for chemistry classes. Thank you for registering for chemistry classes. you will be getting study materials again. Registering, I'm sorry, the spelling is wrong. Okay, you will be getting study materials on this email, and we can just map in the email. So the email was okay, this is the email. Now in the sender number, I'm going to basically input my number. So this is my number. Okay, so I have entered my number. Now in the recipient number, this is the number of Jerry Maguire. So let me just enter the number. So this is the number of Jerry Maguire. So basically we have entered all the details. So when I click on save and send test request, it will send the SMS. So let me just do that. Okay, so the API response is showing the SMS has been sent. So let's have a look. So this is the SMS. Jerry Maguire, thank you for registering for chemistry classes. You will be getting study materials on this email, jerrymaguire123@gmail.com. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. So before we end this, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So I'm just going to minimize my action window and I'm going to minimize my trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. So first you integrated Gravity Forms to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Twilio. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Gravity Forms and Twilio.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.